Hello everyone, and Tank here, and here's some things about my Locomotive of the UK thing. Now, tell me if you want the thing to continue, like, do you want me to jump around time periods? Because, I don't know, if I do continue the series, maybe I should go into the future, like not staying in the late 30s and just go into like the late 50s to 60s where modernization begins. Now if you don't want to hear any spoilers about what I'm thinking if I bring the series back, I don't know. Anyway, let's get on to the first character, Isaac. So, Isaac is an experimental tank engine built from the LMS in 1926 and likes to play around with some of the other engines. If they're coming up with a plan to get back at each other, he's that one character who'll just come in and ruin everything. Later on, when the war begins, he's one of the engines sent to the War Department. I don't know if he will either come back to survive into modernization or he will be taken down in the war. Anyway, before I go into two parts of him, let's go to the basis. He's based off of Hornby Class D. I don't actually know if these engines actually exist. Either he will not come back from the war, or he will survive to the British Railway period. If he does, then he'll just be a shunting engine, and then most likely will be scrapped or be preserved. Once again, it's unknown so far. I already have plans for Thompson, and the results won't be so good. He will survive into the modernization British Railway days, but sadly he's going to be scrapped. And finally, Cooper. He will also make it into the British Railway days, I guess, and will either be preserved or will be scrapped.